हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज की वीडियो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाली है बिकॉज टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम चैप्टर सेकंड कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। डिफाइन कंज्यूमर। कंज्यूमर हु कंज्यूम goods and services. Consumer who consume goods and services. Equilibrium, it is the stage of balance where there is no profit or no loss, or stage of maximum satisfaction. So what is equilibrium? It's a stage of maximum satisfaction. Our third question, explain the following. Utility. What is utility? The want, satisfying power of a commodity. What is utility? The want satisfying power of a commodity is known as utility. Total utility, it is the sum of all utility. So total utility is equal to U1 plus U2 plus U3 plus UN. So total utility is equal to summation of marginal utility. Total utility is equal to summation of marginal utility. What is marginal utility? It is the additional utility. Additional utility which is derived by consuming one or more unit or change in total utility. So what is the formula of marginal utility? Marginal utility is equal to TUN minus 1. Here marginal utility is equal to change in total utility upon quantity. Okay, so what is marginal utility? It is the additional utility which is derived by consuming one or more unit or change in total utility. Indifference करो. It shows the different combinations of two goods that gives same level of satisfaction. What is indifference करो? It shows the combinations of two goods that gives the same level of satisfaction. What is the slope and equation for budget line? So what is the slope? Downward sloping. जो हमारी बजट लाइन होती है वो डाउनवर्ड स्लोपिंग होती है. एंड व्हाट इज द इक्वेशन फॉर बजट लाइन? मनी इज इक्वल टू P P1 x1 plus P2 x2. So it's a equation for a budget line. Equation for a budget line. When total utility is maximum, then marginal utility is 0. Now we will discuss very short answer question from this chapter. Which is very important for your examination and very useful for higher classes. So my first question is, what is budget line? Explain with example and equation. What is budget line? Explain with example and equation. Explain with example and equation. So what is budget line? Budget line What is budget line? It is the line. It is the line which represent the alternative It is the line which represent the alternative combination of two goods with the given money income and price of goods. So what is budget line? It is the line which represent the alternative combinations of two goods with given money income और the price of goods. It means कि आपकी money income दी हुई है और आपको price of goods भी दिया हुआ है, तो उसमें आपने alternative combinations find out करने हैं, उसको बोलते हैं हम budget line. So explain with example. Let us suppose we have 10 rupees and the price of pen is equal to 2 rupees and the price of pencil is 1 rupees. तो our first combination is, इस combination में या तो हम 5 पेन खरीद सकते हैं क्योंकि एक पेन की कीमत 2 रुपीज है, ठीक है, 5 0, या तो हम 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2 8 4 पेन परचेज कर सकते हैं और 2 पेंसिल, या हम 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 2 मीन्स 6 मीन्स 3 पेन परचेज कर सकते हैं एंड 4 पेंसिल, या हम 2 पेन परचेज कर सकते हैं एंड 6 पेंसिल, या हम 1 पेन परचेज कर सकते हैं और 8 पेंसिल. तो जब हम ये ऑल्टरनेटिव कॉम्बिनेशंस बना रहे हैं, यहां पे हमें मनी इनकम 10 रुपीज, प्राइस ऑफ गुड्स पेन 2 rupees and pencil 1 rupee. So what is budget line? It is the line which represent the alternative combinations of two goods with given money income and price of goods. Okay, so it's our budget line. जब हम इन ऑल्टरनेटिव कॉम्बिनेशंस को बना रहे हैं तो इस कॉम्बिनेशंस को बनाने के लिए हम एक इक्वेशन का यूज कर रहे हैं, जो इक्वेशन हमारी बजट लाइन की है। तो क्या है वो इक्वेशन? m इज इक्वल टू p1x1 प्लस p2x2। अब यहां से कोई भी कॉम्बिनेशन आप उठा सकते हैं, जैसे मैंने उठाया कॉम्बिनेशन फर्स्ट। तो प्राइस ऑफ पेन 5, x1 क्वांटिटी, प्राइस ऑफ पेन 2 rupees, and P2 price of second good 1 rupees, and x2 quantity 0. x1 is our quantity and P1 is our price. Okay, so it's a 10, and जो बजट लाइन की डायग्राम बनेगी वो हमारी डाउनवर्ड स्लोपिंग बनेगी। और जो हमारा बजट लाइन है वो चेंज कब होता है? जब प्राइस इंक्रीज और डिक्रीज होता है। तो इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन अकॉर्डिंग टू द पॉइंट ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन। My second question, relationship between total utility and marginal utility. Relationship between total utility and मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी। तो जब हमने लास्ट लेक्चर में रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन टोटल यूटिलिटी एंड मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी एक्सप्लेन किया था, तो यहां पे हमने टोटल यूटिलिटी, यहां पे ओ एक्स एक्सिस पे यूनिट्स, ओ वाई एक्सिस पे हमने टोटल यूटिलिटी लेके चले थे। और इस ग्राफ में ओ एक्स एक्सिस यूनिट्स, मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी, हमारी डायग्राम यहां मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी इन नेगेटिव, हियर इज 0 एंड हियर टोटल यूटिलिटी इज मैक्सिमम। ओके, तो व्हाट इज द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन टोटल यूटिलिटी एंड मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी? द फर्स्ट रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन टोटल यूटिलिटी एंड मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी इज when total utility is maximum, when total utility is maximum, then marginal utility is 0. Second, total utility marginal utility can be 0, positive or negative. 0 at this point, negative at this point. And total utility is always positive. So it's the relationship between total utility and marginal utility. This point is very important according to the point of MCQ. Sometime examiner put this question as a filling in the blanks. When total utility is maximum, then marginal utility is 0. Third question. What is our third question? Consumer equilibrium in case of two commodity. So MUM is equal to consumer equilibrium in case of two commodity. So what is in one what is in one case of commodity? MUX upon PX. It's a in case of one commodity. Now consumer equilibrium in case of two commodities, MUM in case of one commodity. So in case of two commodity, MUY upon PY. It's a in case of two commodity. Consumer equilibrium in case of one commodity, consumer equilibrium in case of two commodity. So from equation 1 and 2, MUM is equal to MUX upon PX upon is equal to MUY upon PY. So it's our equation number 3. अब हम क्या करेंगे? MUX marginal utility of money is equal to MUX upon MUY is equal to PX upon PY. So it's a consumer equilibrium in case of two commodity. The fourth question is find total utility from marginal utility. So marginal utility is equal to, suppose marginal utility is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Then total utility कैसे find करेंगे? At the first point it is 2, second point 2 plus 4, 6, third point 6 plus 6, 12, at this point 12 plus 8, 20, and 20 plus 10, 30. Why? Because total utility is summation of marginal utility. So 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 8 20, and 20 plus 10 30. So with the help of marginal utility we can find total utility. Our last question. Question number 5. Law of diminishing marginal utility. What is the law of diminishing marginal utility? When a consumer consumes a commodity continuously, the marginal utility of that commodity is decrease. So क्या आएगा? When a consumer consumes a commodity continuously, the marginal utility of that commodity is decrease. Mu in negative, here mu is 0, units, and marginal utility. Again, when a consumer consume a commodity continuously,